Good morning, guys. I gotta be kind of quiet today because it's early morning and I don't want to wake anybody, so I don't even have lights on really. Today we're gonna talk about how to get the most recent subscriber, most recent follower, or top cheer to pop up on your screen, kind of like this. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom there. It's kind of small.
That one's top cheer. The newest cheer. New follower. And then finally, newest subscriber. So, let's get started, shall we?
Wait, we ain't get started yet. I'm wearing the wrong clothes. Let's fix this. Much better. Otherwise, I look like I wore the same clothes 2 days in a row. Nobody does that. So first off, we're gonna go to the internet. We're gonna go to Streamlabs.com. And now we're going to click these three lines and we're going to go to dashboard. You don't have to use Streamlabs. You could be using OBS just like I am. I'm only using these for the stream labels. That's what they're called. So we're going to go to alert box. No, all widgets. Pro streamer right here. We're going to scroll down and we're going to find something that says stream labels. We're going to click on that. And we're going to click this Windows thing and you're going to download Streamlabs stream labels, and then you're gonna open it and install it. I already have it already done, so we're just gonna click this right here. So this is Streamlabs stream labels. It shows all your most recent subs, resubs, donations, etc. So we're gonna click this little icon right here. That's gonna reset the app. So we're gonna click on the app, reopen it, and we're gonna log in with Twitch. Make sure it's yourself. Authorize. And then you're gonna choose where you want to put the directory. So I'm gonna go with my OBS folder, and then I'm gonna make a new folder. This is where it's gonna put all your stream labels, and we're gonna call this stream labels. I want the multiple S's because I already have a folder. Hit enter and select folder. Now it's going to take all your stream labels and it's going to put them into that folder. So this app itself, you need to have running in the background, but you don't need to have it open. So you can just ping. And also at the beginning of your stream, you're going to want to hit this little refresh icon so it starts it fresh from that session. We're going to minimize all that. Now we're going to go into OBS here. And we're just going to create new text. This one we're going to call
Newest sub.
Right here, we're going to write new sub. You can change the font to whatever you want to do. I'm just going to leave it for now. I'll select the color. We're going to make it yellow so it stands out right now. Or green. I'm colorblind. You tell me which is that neon green. Okay, so new sub. You can resize it how you want. So we're going to leave it semi-big for now. So there's our new sub. I'm going to move this back over here. Then you're going to add another source. I know my webcam's in the way. Alright, so now we're going to add another text. And then we're going to call it
Latest sub.
Click OK. Now for this one, we're going to click this read from file.
I almost sneezed. I apologize for that.
But anyways, so click read from file. Then we're going to browse. And now we're going to open the OBS and we're going to look for stream labels. Double click. And now we're looking for most recent subscriber. So you can see there's a whole bunch of different ones here. We got 30 days, so that's of the month. You can do top of the month, all time top, stream labels, donators, follow train, monthly top, I just use the last 30 days, but you could just do monthly if you want to do specifically from that month. Then we go to most recent subscriber right here. So I'm gonna click that, and then I'm going to change the color to neon yellow or green. We're unsure. You're sure. I'm unsure. Then I'm just gonna minimize this because no, I'm not gonna minimize it because it doesn't work that way. All right, so now we're gonna new sub, and it is answer the questions, please. Answer the question, please. And now you can see new sub, answer the question, please. Very simple, very straightforward. Many of you want to make this same screen I have here, sub goal. So that's my daily sub goal on top and my weekly sub goal on the bottom. I'll show you real quick how to do that. We'll go back to this screen. So here we go. We're going to go in here. We're going to click text, add text.
Here we go. Weekly. Okay. Weekly goal. Or week goal.
And then we're going to put a few spaces in between and a slash, and let's go with 5. So our weekly goal is 5. I'm going to shrink it down. And then we're going to add text. And this one we're going to do
weekly subs count.
And now we're going to go into the read from file. And this time we're going to browse. We're going to look for weekly subscriber count, not score, count. Open that up. Okay, so currently we're at 3. And we're going to shrink it down so that it fits around the same font as the rest. Now the reason I'm doing this up here is for this tutorials to show you, but you're going to want to do it in your own separate scene, like down here. That way when you want to edit everything, you just edit it within the scene, and then you can just move it all around via clicking and grabbing, and then you can shrink it down to size, and it's already matched up and everything. And there you have it. All right, guys, that's a super simple way to do stream labels. So now you can include your viewers at the bottom of your screen or wherever you want to put them on screen, so they feel included for their follows and their subs and represented, which is exactly what you want. You want inclusion in your streams. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday coming up. Thanksgiving, it's one of my favorites. Love you guys. I lost my train of thought. If you like this video and want to see more of them, click that subscription button down below, and I will see you on the next one. If you missed the last video was on how to do counters through Firebot. You can find it right over here on the side. Ding. And yeah, if you guys want to find me on Twitch, my name is Nimsomniac on Twitch. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere in there. Right here. Nimsomniac. Whoa. Alright. Love you guys. Have a great night. Be kind, rewind. And remember, you're awesome.